We're back this week with 2 new experiments for the young and old alike. Okay, we're going to start with a half a glass of water. We are going to need either a plate, or if you have just cardboard laying around, you can cut a piece about this size, an empty toilet paper roll, and we are going to use an egg. All right, we brought Chase back to be our helper. First, Chase is going to put this plate in the middle of the cup. Okay. And then he's going to take the toilet paper roll and put that in the middle of the plate, directly above the cup. Okay, perfect. And then he's going to take an egg, any egg you want. They're real, right? Okay, go ahead and put it on top. All right, now he's ready. And what we're going to do is we are going to hit the plate, only the plate. Let me move these eggs out of the way. All right, Chase, on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Wow! Good job. Okay, so the first thing we're going to test is, will this egg sink or float? So you're going to put your egg into the first cup, and we notice what? It sinks. Okay, so next we are going to add some, and lots, not just some, lots of salt to a cup. Okay, and we're going to mix well. Then we're going to put the egg into our salt water mix and see what happens. Cool. We notice that our egg will now float. Okay, I'm going to take this egg out, and we're going to have the challenge for you. You're going to add half salt water mix, and we are going to gently put the egg back into this water. And we're going to add regular water back in, and we're going to try to get the egg to hover in the middle of both. We hope you enjoyed these 2 experiments. We'll see you next week.